Welcome to Rustic Alley. Rustic Allies, thank you for your continued support. Here's a high five from Allie. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you don't miss updates on this channel. Let's discuss a treat that can be taken with you during your travels and adventures. Golden berries, also known as Physalis peruviana or Cape gooseberries. They have a sweet and tart flavor that is often compared to a combination of pineapple, passion fruit, and mango. They can be eaten fresh, dried, or cooked. Here are some ways to enjoy golden berries. Eat them fresh as a snack or add them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Dry them in a dehydrator or oven and use them as a healthy snack or trail mix ingredient. Cook them into jams, pies, or tarts. Use them to make golden berry sauce, which can be drizzled over ice cream, pancakes, or waffles. Add them to smoothies or juices. Golden berries are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. They are also low in calories and fat. When choosing golden berries, look for ones that are plump and have a bright orange-yellow color. Avoid berries that are shriveled or have brown spots. To eat golden berries fresh, simply remove the outer husk and rinse the berry under cold water. You can eat the berry whole or slice it in half. If you are using dried golden berries, you can soak them in water for a few minutes to soften them before eating. When cooking golden berries, be careful not to overcook them, as they can become mushy. Add them to your dish towards the end of cooking. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, golden berries are a delicious and nutritious fruit. Here are some of the potential health benefits of golden berries. Boost the immune system. Vitamin C in golden berries helps to boost the immune system and fight off infection. Improve eye health. Golden berries contain carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. These carotenoids can help to protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness in older adults. Reduce inflammation. Golden berries contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a root cause of many chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Lower cholesterol levels. Golden berries contain plant compounds called phytosterols, which can help to lower cholesterol levels. Protect against cancer. Golden berries contain antioxidants that can help to protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Overall, golden berries are a nutritious and healthy fruit that can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. They can be eaten fresh, dried, or added to smoothies, yogurt, and other recipes. More research is needed to confirm the health benefits of golden berries, but the existing evidence suggests that they are a healthy and nutritious food. Have you tried golden berries? Let us know in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. As always, safe travels!